Hello everybody, my name is Mathias Bøhlund and I am an actor working in Denmark, in Copenhagen. And right now I am making a show on the Royal Theatre. We're, as you can see, making something crazy, maybe. It's Marie Antoinette, the story about the last queen of France. And right now I'm doing a makeup so I can look as somebody who lived on Versailles in that period of time. We had our premiere on the 11th of April and it's running until the 25th of May. So if you guys are in Copenhagen, I really think you should come and see it. That would be awesome. And the show is about Marie Antoinette and her life, and it's a really extreme story she has. Actually, not that dramatical. All the drama goes on outside of Versailles, but we just kind of highlighted every important thing in her life leading to her death and the end of the monarchy in France and the start of the democracy we have in Europe. So yeah, that's kind of the story about her. It's made. That's the call. Just leaving it be. Yeah, but it's made by a theatre group called The Regiment, and this is our second show, and we decided to try to make this crazy story about Marie Antoinette, and I actually think we did a really great job. So if you guys are in Copenhagen, come and see it. Bye.